is, be careful players, be careful. They're calling for a play. We have a pick and roll. Basket down. Score all one. There you go. Basket down. Robust Commander has the ball. Looking to the big man. Big man on the move. Shot. Basket down. 2-1 in favor of Mandaluyong. Makati has the ball. What a crossover. Foul. Reaching foul. What a crossover by number 2. Makati. Nice move, young man. There we go. Number 2 has the ball. Calling for a pick. Going for a play. Take a 2-point shot. No good. Rebound by Manda. Clears the ball. Way too far. Out of bounds. All back to Makati. Time of 4 minutes and 51 seconds for court 1. For court 2, we have 5 minutes. Inbound. To number 1, back to number 2. They're playing point guard. Oh, another crossover. What a move. Misses shot. Rebound by number 3, Mandaluyong. Cleared it. No, stolen by number 2. Let's move to court 2, where we have Letran versus PCU. PCU has the ball. PCU in green and Letran in orange. PCU. Number 4, back to number 3. Number 4 has the ball. Reverse layup. Good. Letran on the orange jersey. PCU in a green. Letran up by 4 with the score 5-1. Time left, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 3 of PCU. Dribbling. Crossover 2. Pass it to number 4. Number 4. Looking to the fadeaway jump shot. Oh, missed. Rebound by number 1. Moving the legs. Number 1 still dribbling. Looking someone to pass to one up top by number 4. And a reverse. Nice shot, number 4. Score 7-1 in favor of Letran. Timeout. PCU Dasmariñas. Back to court 1. Where we have 5-3 in favor of Mandaluyong. Jump ball. For court 1 on the yellow jersey, that's Don Bosco Makati. Sacred Heart versus San Sebastian College. For court 1, for court 2, we have St. Mary versus Pasig Catholic. So please get ready for your game as we have in court 1, 2 minutes and 39 seconds left. For court 2, the time right now. Court 2, we're having a technical difficulty with the time clock. Back to court 1, Makati has the ball. Number 2, looking to drive. Ooh, what a move! Number 2. Nice, Ethan! Sorry, I guess Makati, Don Bosco Makati up 6-3 in favor of Don Bosco Makati. We have a technical problem and we request a technical committee for the clock, for the timer, and the court 2. Okay. Rebound by number 2. Being tailed by Manda. Inside to number 1. Jump ball. Who's ball? Referee, who's ball? Ball back to Don Bosco Manda. Yellow ball! Yellow ball! Yellow! I'm sorry. Back to Don Bosco Makati. Number 2 with the dribble. Look inside. Penetrate. It does inside. Missing that hook shot. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 to number 2. Look at yourself for the 2 points. Rebound by number 1 is Makati. Number 2. Crossover move. By Don Bosco Manda. Number 2. Alright. Let's go back to court 2. Let's see. 8-0, 8-1. now we have Letran up 9-1 in favor of Letran. Ball back to PCU Dasma. Here we go. PCU Dasma with the ball, number 3. Looking to drive, crossover move. Shot clock by 18.